Are you tired of living with the constant ringing and buzzing in your ears caused by tinnitus? If so, you're not alone. Tinnitus affects millions of people worldwide, and finding relief can be a challenge. But fear not, because we have a solution for you, Claritox Pro. In this video, we will explore the amazing benefits of Claritox Pro for tinnitus relief and how it can improve your quality of life. Before we dive into the benefits of Claritox Pro, let's first understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is the perception of sound in the ears or head that doesn't have an external source. It can manifest as ringing, buzzing, or other similar sounds. This condition can be incredibly frustrating and disrupt daily life. Many factors can contribute to tinnitus, including exposure to loud noises, age-related hearing loss, and certain medical conditions. Now, let's explore how Claritox Pro can provide relief. Claritox Pro is a revolutionary dietary supplement specially formulated to target tinnitus and provide relief. Its unique blend of natural ingredients works synergistically to address the underlying causes of tinnitus and promote overall ear health. By taking Claritox Pro regularly, you can experience a significant reduction in tinnitus symptoms, including the intensity and frequency of the ringing or buzzing sounds. Claritox Pro not only provides relief from tinnitus but also supports overall ear health. The powerful antioxidants and vitamins in Claritox Pro help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and rejuvenate the delicate structures of the inner ear. By nourishing your ears with Claritox Pro, you can promote optimal ear function and prevent future tinnitus flare-ups. One of the most significant benefits of Claritox Pro is its ability to improve your quality of life. Living with tinnitus can be incredibly stressful and impact your mental well-being. By taking Claritox Pro, you can experience a sense of relief and restore your peace of mind. Imagine being able to sleep better, concentrate without distractions, and enjoy social interactions without the constant annoyance of tinnitus. Claritox Pro can make all of this a reality. If you're ready to say goodbye to tinnitus and reclaim your life, it's time to try Claritox Pro. With its powerful formula, backed by scientific research, Claritox Pro offers a safe and effective solution for tinnitus relief. Don't let tinnitus control your life any longer. Order Claritox Pro today and experience the incredible benefits of this groundbreaking supplement.